How to create a Zoom account. Zoom is being used worldwide, and in order to use it, you first have to create an account. The first step to creating an account is going to Zoom's website, zoom.us. On the home screen, select Sign Up It's Free in the top right-hand corner. Then enter your birthday and click Continue. Sign up with the email address you'd like the account to be associated with and click Sign Up. You will then receive an email like this one from Zoom to activate your account. Click the Activate Account button and then continue your sign up process. The name you use to sign up with Zoom is how your name will appear when you join a meeting. Then create a password that meets the requirements below. When you have all your details entered, click Continue. Your account has now been created and you can begin scheduling and joining meetings on Zoom. And that's how to create a Zoom account. If this video helped you, let us know by liking it or commenting below, and don't forget to subscribe for more how-to instructional videos.